Hi friends, welcome to Excel tips and tricks. In today's video tutorial, we will study how to use a dynamic drop-down list in Excel. Here you can see I am having three columns: name, department and salary. Now I want to create a drop-down list for the name column over here so that whatever name I select from this drop-down, the corresponding department and salary should be displayed. So let us first begin with creating a drop-down over here. So I'll click over here and click in the data menu, click on data validation, click on list, click on source and highlight this column, click on OK and our drop-down is ready. So I can click over here and I can select any name. Now I want to find the department. So I'll click over here and I'll use a function of Excel called as VLOOKUP and I'll give open bracket. What value to look up? The value in this drop down, comma, where to search in this table array, comma, to return the value from which column? Second column. And I want the exact match, so I'll give 0, close bracket, hit enter. So for William Martinez, the department is engineering. Let us just change this to John Smith and the department is finance. Now for salary, we'll use the XLOOKUP function. So I'll type equal to XLOOKUP, open bracket, what value to look up? This value, comma, where to look up that value? Here, comma, to return the result from which column? This column, close bracket and hit enter. So for John Smith, the salary is 75,000. Let's change this to MED. The department is marketing and the salary is 68,500. So our drop-down list is working dynamically. So friends, in this video tutorial of Excel tips and tricks, we have studied how to use a dynamic drop-down list. Hope you have learned something new. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.